I'm going to show you realistic reflection effect in Photoshop. Go to a file, a place embedded, then select reflection if background. Just click to place. I will show you before and after background. Select the background layer, then click to create a duplicate layer. Go to a filter. Blur, Gaussian blur. Free transform. Press hold the Alt key. Change the blend mode screen. Go to open the levels. First press the Create a Clipping Mask button. Follow the step. Adjustment, highlight, shadows. Select the reflection image layer. Then hue, saturation. Follow the step, adjustment, colors. I show you before and after final result. Select the all layers. Create a group layer. Then change layer name. I show you before and after final result. Hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel.